Pre-sales for the all-new Zeekr 7X have officially begun, and it will be launched on October 28. The new vehicle is equipped with a Thor-U chip and a 900V high-voltage system using the Qianli Haohan H7 assisted driving solution, and has a maximum cruising range of 802 kilometers. While the appearance remains largely unchanged, the focus has been on improving the details. The new vehicle features a closed front design with a black smoked stripe running through it and new 8-shaped airflow slots on each side. Combined with the trapezoidal air intake at the bottom and the chrome front lip, the vehicle has a sportier aura compared to the outgoing model. The body dimensions remain unchanged: 4,825 mm long, 1930 mm wide, and 1,666 mm high, with a 2,925 mm wheelbase. Classic design elements such as the fastback style, floating roof, frameless doors, and hidden door handles are retained. Looking at the vehicle's details, we see the addition of small blue lights at the front, center, and rear to remind other road users of the driver assistance system. Looking at the interior, the new car has been given two new interior color options: black purple and black orange, while the other designs essentially maintain the current model's design. The rear seats feature highly luxurious features such as dual-sided electric sunshades/privacy glass, a smart refrigerator with heating and cooling functions, an electric tabletop, and an electric smart display. Thanks to its ultra-long wheelbase of 2,925 mm and short front overhang, the Zeekr 7X achieves its space ratio of over 83%, a significant advantage among models in its class. In terms of storage space, there are 40 storage spaces throughout the vehicle, while the trunk volume is 905 L, sufficient for family travel needs under normal conditions. For intelligent assisted driving, it is equipped as standard with a roof-mounted laser radar and the Qianli Haohan assisted driving system H7. It is equipped with an NVIDIA Thor-U chip with up to 700 TOPS processing power, enabling D2D parking-to-parking assistance, NZP City Autonomous Navigation Assistance, APA Automatic Parking Assistance, ROPA Remote Parking Assistance, and other parking functions. The power system is one of the most significant areas of improvement. The all-wheel drive version uses a dual motor combination of 215 kilowatts plus 370 kilowatts, delivering a total system power of up to 585 kilowatts, 795 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.98 seconds and has a top speed of 255 km per hour. In terms of battery life, it can reach a maximum CLTC of 802 km paired with a 103 kWh battery, and charging from 10% to 80% takes just 10 minutes. The Zeekr 7X's chassis utilizes a double wishbone front suspension and a 5-link rear suspension, along with a closed air suspension and a CCD electromagnetic damping system. These systems monitor road conditions and adjust the vehicle's attitude in real time, achieving the perfect balance between aggressive driving and comfort.